Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G15, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, and it looks something similar to this. If you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. But once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which you do need to take off the case of your device if you have one on, as the tray is located on the upper left side of the phone. So right here where the pin is holding, you want to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. I'm going to occupy one of each. There we go. And then you want to carefully insert it back into your device. Now as you can see, the SD or SIM card just shifted a little bit, so I need to fix that up. There we go. Okay. Once you insert both of these cards, they should start working immediately. So hence why I have this little SIM card image, and I just need to put in my SIM card pin. That unlocks the SIM card, and SD card should be working as well, which you can see a notification right here at the bottom that it is basically detecting it. So that's basically everything that there is to it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.